Oh yeah. Good looking car. Sounds more American than I remember. What's going on here? Jared.
Yo, Quinn, what up, man?
Not much, Jared. Just curious, have you noticed anything suspicious about the exhaust on the Thunderbird lately?
Yeah, dude, I got bored one day and just hacked the mufflers off. What do you think?
Yeah, it sounds pretty good, but
yeah, hey, don't worry. I got tailpipes from an old SN95. We're gonna hack them up, weld them on. They're gonna look great. No mufflers, because that's the American way, man. What's up, muscle car people? Bringing muscle cars back for another edition of Budget Rallycross.
Hey, don't bring them
Today,
out of the car.
We're gonna turn those into these.
That's not legal.
Well, this is America, so it is legal. We're basically just cutting the mufflers out. We're gonna weld in these tailpipes from a Ford Mustang, and that's it.
We're gonna bring it.
We're always gonna bring it.
so first thing we're going to do is we're going to mark up where we need to cut. So here's the new pipe, here's the old one. So I'm going to just...
What's the rule? Measure twice, cut once?
Yes. And I measured once, now twice, and off we go to the cutter.
Yeah, we're gonna make some noise! Where are you cutting it at? You're not cutting it at a corner, are you?
No, it's my mark out.
Well, it's gotta be back here somewhere.
I made like a line.
Move your hand.
Is this the right pipe?
No.
No, this is the other one. Oh, behind you.
Did you? Current product placement.
It's not a bad idea.
This is a terrible idea. Keep it straight.
Well,
I've seen worse.
look at this. This will be interesting. Notice it's not like your typical diameter. It's got a flat on the bottom.
It's not gonna weld up.
We just filled with bead and called it that. Pretty good. But there's a giant, like, 3/8 wide gap at the top of it.
Well, yeah, we can solve that.
So we got the first one measured out. It looks good underneath the car. So we're just gonna take the other side, line them up, and make our mark.
What if it's not the same?
We'll make it the same. Pretty good. So we finally got everything wrapped up, got the pipes welded in, and
Did we weld them?
no, we didn't.
Okay.
We took the easy route. So what happened was the diameter of the new pipes that had kind of like a D shape, and filling it with weld, it just isn't gonna happen. So we went out and we got clamps for it. But I'm gonna be honest with you guys, this car sounds a lot better than I ever imagined it would. I'm really stoked about it. The new pipes look awesome, they're badass. So I hope you guys learned something from this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and if you got a fast car, you better bring it.
Alright guys, thanks for watching this video. I'm going to link a couple more videos that if you like this one and you made it all the way to the end, you're going to definitely like these. So watch them. Also, that middle button right there, I think is probably, somewhere in there. Hit that button to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more action.